Hello guys, I'm Susmita Siddhi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have bought 5 Maybelline mascaras to review for you guys. So these mascaras are affordable and are they worth the hype? Because Maybelline mascaras are so famous and many people use Maybelline mascaras because they are affordable and they really make your eyelashes voluminous and lengthier. So first we'll start with the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. On one side of my eyelashes, I'll be applying this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and on the other side, I'll be applying this Colossal Maybelline mascara. So I have already tested these products. I have already tried them. So I'll be reviewing from them from the bottom to top. Means bottom less favoritism and top I love them. So I'll be reviewing for you. This is Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. This is a washable mascara. Okay, I have applied like 2 coats of Hyper Curl. Now let's see the Colossal one. We'll compete Hyper Curl with Colossal. So what do you guys think? In my opinion, I think Colossal one is doing better than Hyper Curl ones because Colossal mascara is giving your lashes more length than Hyper Curl and also more volume. So now it's done with Hyper Curl versus Colossal. Now I'll be removing this Hyper Curl and then instead of Hyper Curl I'll be applying other mascara. Okay, now coming to the other mascara, I have picked up Maybelline Alize Plus Olivia mascara. This is a washable mascara. Let's see how it works. I'll show you like this. Okay, now more than Colossal mascara, this mascara is giving me more voluminous lashes, and in the lengthwise these both are the same, just giving me more volume, even length, but in the lengthwise these both are the same. Now coming to the fourth mascara, I have picked up Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. It's a washable black. I have removed the Colossal mascara on this side, so I am applying this one. I'll be competing with the Olivia mascara, Maybelline Alize Plus Olivia mascara. So Total Temptation mascara wins by competing with Olivia mascara because Total Temptation Maybelline mascara is giving more volume and more lengthy lashes than this Olivia Maybelline Alice Plus Olivia mascara. So this one, yay! And we come to the last mascara, that is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Everyone knows about this mascara. Let's try it out. So battle between two of these mascaras. So yeah, finally I'll be applying this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara over here, and we'll see who is the winner and which mascara you have to buy to get that Spider-Man like lashes, spider like lashes, Spider-Man. I have removed Olivia mascara here. Clear winner is this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, because it is giving more volume and more lengthy lashes than all the mascaras which I have applied now. So I'll just tell you about these mascaras, like how can you apply them and what are the affordable mascaras, best affordable mascaras among these range. So coming to Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara, I think this is a good and best option for the college going girls, because this mascara looks on your lashes very normally, like they won't give more length and more volume. But if you want no makeup look, then this is the affordable and best option for you. And this is very affordable, guys. You can get it for discount in Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Myntra, because I got it on discount, so you guys can get it. I'll be mentioning the MRPs and also for how much I have paid for these mascaras, because I got them on discount. These three mascaras can be worn for normal makeup, no makeup look. But if you want spider like eyelashes, then these two are for you guys. All the mascaras which I have applied now are washable, but except this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, I have bought it in waterproof thing. Actually I want a washable mascara because I don't like waterproof mascaras, because due to reasons like they have to be removed, they can't be removed with water and soap and face washes. They have to be removed with micellar water. I don't like using micellar water often, that's why I don't like the waterproof one. I think I'll be getting it in washable ones even after I complete this mascara. And the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, I have got it on discount on Amazon. Actually the price is $5.25, but I got it in around 350 rupees or something, 318 rupees. I'll mention it below. What mascaras I would recommend is, among these mascaras, I will recommend to you these three mascaras: the Colossal, Total Temptation and Lash Sensational. This is for the normal college wear mascara, makeup no makeup look, and these two guys are for like if you want your lashes to look very long and thick, then these two are for you. Actually my eyelashes are pretty small, they're not lengthy and they're not more voluminous, so that's the reason why these mascaras don't show on my eyelashes like spider lashes. But those who have thick and more voluminous and more lengthy lashes, then these mascaras will really make your lashes look like a spider lashes. All mascaras, please do buy only when there is a discount. Don't buy it for the MRP price, because there are many discounts going on online. Don't buy them offline, because you won't be getting discounts. So yeah, that's for the today's video. and I think you found this video valuable. I saved your money, I hope. So yeah, this is for today's video. So please, if you like my video, give a thumbs up, and if you want updates on my videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, because mascaras, Maybelline mascaras are famous and you guys want best mascara among these mascaras. So I'll save your money by reviewing the products for you guys at discount. So yeah, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends who wants to know the best mascara among these Maybelline mascaras, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please press the bell icon so that you'll get notifications, updates on my videos. Bye bye, thank you for watching.